If you want to learn AI in 2026, these courses are the best courses right now available on the internet and they are absolutely free. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, just released 10 completely free AI courses. And in today's videos, we are going to rank all of these 10 courses and tell you which courses are worth your time and which courses you can avoid. I will also share the 3 courses I personally took and give me a lot of advantage and I learned a lot about AI. Not only that, if you watch till the end, I will show you how you can get the certificate from all of these courses. So the first course is Cloud Code in Action. One of the best course I think from Cloud Academy. I highly recommend to go through this course. In this course, you will learn how you can use Cloud Code to build really cool stuff. If you don't know about Cloud Code is a world best AI coding tool out there right now. So you can't miss this course. This course is 10 by 10 and I personally took this course. Highly recommend. The second course is Introduction to Agent Skills. How you can build skills in agents and make your agent work for you. This is absolutely a jam course and I highly recommend you to take this course. If you are someone who want to automate using AI a lot of stuff, this is absolutely a course which you should take and I will give 8 out of 10 to this particular course. The next course is Cloud 101. Again, a course which I personally took and I really enjoy this course. In this course, you will learn everything which Cloud AI can do for you, from how you can interact for the first time to Cloud, how you can create project, how you can use skills and a lot more stuff. I will give a score of 10 by 10 because this course is very good. The next course is Building with a Cloud API. If you are someone who is technical or a developer or want to build using Cloud API, this course is a goldmine for you because in this course you will learn everything you need to build with Cloud API. We are using Cloud API in our product and they are really good. So if you are someone who is looking for that, this course is for you. This course is specifically for developers, that's why I will give 7 out of 10. But if you are a developer, this course is a 10 by 10 for you. The next course is Introduction to Model Context Protocol, MCP. Yes, if you don't know what is MCP, MCP is a way to connect your AI agent or AI to another apps. This is absolutely a must to do course. I already took this course and completed this particular course. Highly recommend 10 out of 10 course, especially if you want to go in the depth of technicalities of MCP. This course is absolutely must to do for you. The next course is AI Fluency Framework and Foundation. This course is especially for you if you are someone who is looking to integrate AI in your workflows in your system with ethical guardrails and safety. This course is absolutely a must to do for you and I will give 7 out of 10 this course because this course again a very specific course if you are someone who want to integrate in the workflow and if you are someone who is beginner in the AI space. The next course again is Model Context Protocol but advanced topics. If you want to go in the very much depth, this course is for you. I will give it 6 out of 10 because of again technicalities, but if you are a developer or want to go in the technicalities, great course. The next course is AI Fluency for Educators. If you are someone who is teaching or in education field, this course is a must to do for you. The course curriculum is very good and it is taught by the professors and the people who are in this industry. So I highly recommend to go and check out this course. I will give 8 out of 10 this course. Again, very good course, you must check it out. The next course is AI Fluency for Students. Good course if you are someone who is a student and want to learn AI Fluency. I will give it 7 out of 10. The another one is Cloud with Amazon Bedrock. I will give 4 out of 10 because this course is very niche specific and I don't know if it's really helpful if you are a general audience. Next course is Cloud with Google Cloud's Vertex AI. Again, a very niche specific course. If you are someone who is working with Vertex AI, this course is for you. I will again rank this course 4 out of 10. Another Teaching AI Fluency course. This course is not much for a general audience. If you are in teaching or in education field, you can take this out course. I will give 5 out of 10 again because it's very niche specific and not for general audience. If you are in this field, this course might be helpful for you. The next course is AI Fluency for Non-Profits. Again, a very niche specific course. I will give might be 3 out of 10 because a lot of people are not in this industry. But if you are someone who want to learn about this particular topic, you can go and check out this course. 3 course I highly recommend is Cloud Code in Actions, Cloud 101 and Introduction to MCP. Amazing course. And if you are someone who is bit technical, you can go with building with Cloud Code API and Introduction to Agent Skills. Highly recommend these courses. These courses can change how you think about AI and how you integrate in your life. At the end, as I promised, I will tell you how you can get the certificate because I already got 3 certificates from this academy. So once you are on any course, enroll in that particular course, and once you are enrolled, you have to go through all the content, like from what is cloud code to getting all the things, and at the end you have to give a quiz, which I already have given, and I have completed all the steps. That's why I got a certificate. I will show you how certificate look like, but let me show you that you have to like go through the quiz. I score 100%. I have given like all the answers correctly in around 2 minute time. You can go and do this quiz after completing all the lessons. You have to complete this quiz, and after that you will get your certificate related to that course. As you can see, because I completed the course, I can click on view certificate and I can see my certificate now, and here is my certificate, and you can verify this verification link. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please make sure to subscribe this channel.